Evening on the last day of fifth week of this e-Pathshala Athletes Coaching and Education Program organized by Table Tennis Federation of India and the Sports Authority of India and hosted by Netaji Subhash, Eastern Center, Kolkata. Since today is the last day of fifth week and on 25th day of this Pathshala, today we will be going to attend a session from a person who is very experienced in coaching in table tennis. And मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपको मेरी?
नहीं आ रही थी, अभी आप भी बोलिए.
So Ranjita ma'am is a senior Sai coach and she has completed her diploma in coaching from Patiala and she has done diploma in general conditioning at Budapest, Hungary also. And she has produced many national international players from her Sai center. So Ranjita ma'am, you are welcome. Please proceed.
Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, आप audible हैं मैम. आप करें सेशन शुरू कीजिए.
आपका भी कुछ क्लियर नहीं आया सर, इसीलिए. Am I audible?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल आपकी आवाज आ रही है मैम, सब तक आ रही है. आप सेशन शुरू करें प्लीज.
Yes. Okay. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening ma'am. Good evening.
Actually, I have 2 days program yesterday and today, but inconvenience is regretted because there was a function at home. I could not join yesterday, and thanks Rahul Chakrabarti, you could conduct for me. If Rahul Chakrabarti is there, thanks Rahul Chakrabarti, or else I will be giving responsibility to Vishwajit Babu. He will be informed. Okay. Today I am going to teach you, children. I am going to teach you shadows of stepping for full table to receive the balls perfectly. Shadows of stepping for full table to receive the balls perfectly. Okay? Am I audible?
हाँ जी, आप कंटिन्यू करें मैम सेशन. सबको आ रही है आवाज.
Okay, children. Ma'am.
Yes, I am there, Ranjita. I am here only. Yes.
It's okay.
Okay, yeah, I am here.
Okay. So, are you ready? Are you ready, children? Are you ready, everybody?
All are ready ma'am. All are ready.
Everybody must handle a racket. Everybody must handle a racket.
Yes, all the children get ready and take your racket with you. Just get ready. If you don't have racket, please be ready for shadows. Everyone, children, get ready. Ma'am is giving you instructions. Ranjita, now you can proceed, please.
Okay, Vishwajit sir, Vishwajit Babu.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
एक स्लाइड खाली दिखा दीजिए बच्चों को, मैं बोल देती हूँ. और तो नहीं है.
ओके, मैं शेयर करता हूँ.
टेबल टेनिस बोर्ड में जो दिया गया, जो कंप्यूटराइज हुआ है, उसको पहले दिखाइए और दूसरा भी दिखा दीजिए.
ओके.
तो ओके, कीप इट हियर. हाँ, विश्वजीत बाबू इसको रहने दीजिए. ओके, बच्चों देखो, ये टेबल टेनिस बोर्ड की वन साइड, ओके, योर साइड और माय साइड, लाइक दैट. So Could you follow me? I have given you the stepping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, this is the positioning. Okay, when the ball drops in one, how we will do the receiving in jog, maybe other stroke. Again 2, again 3, like that. First we'll go for 1, 2, and 3. Okay, first you take the position like this. Okay, Bishwan Babu, আলাদা এটা দেখো তো একটু বিশ্বজিৎ বাবু, হ্যাঁ আলাদাটা দেখেন, হ্যাঁ এই अब देखो बच्चों, this is actually the standing position. You follow me? This is the standing position. Not if you stand, this is the ball. If you stand like this, no, you cannot play all these strokes. Could you follow me? So this is the standing position. One of my certificate course student has taken the photograph of his trainees and he said, due to the lockdown period, my trainees are not there. मेरे बच्चे नहीं हैं और बोर्ड में मेरे को मिली नहीं, घर से कर रही हूँ, तो इसीलिए one of the red sir is my certificate course student and his students are doing what I taught him. He is teaching to these students. Okay, this is the standing position. When the ball comes, then you will be doing 1, 2, 3, 4. First I'm telling for 1, 2, 3. 1. Then take this right foot little this side, 2, then 3, come jumping, and you have to receive the 3 number ball. Could you follow me? 1, 2, and this ball is 3. 1, 2, and this ball is 3. Oh, this is 1 in this standing position. The ball is straight. Good. Okay. And take little body this side, leaning 2, again go for jumping and go for the third. Could you follow me? If you stand like this 1, then 2, then again you go for 3 slowly. No, it is not possible. First 1, then 2, then you go jumping and do the third one. Could you follow me? Everybody, Suman ma'am?
Yeah. Children, yes, do the 3-step shadows. Go as ma'am has shows on the table. Just have you seen? Look at this. This is first you have to go on 1, then 2 with the backhand push, and then go on 3. Right? Take the 3-step shadow first.
And
right?
2 and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Do it 30.
Everybody start with back and try to do. First we'll go little. First we'll go for 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6. Then again we'll go for 7 and 8 only. Then only for 9. I'll teach 1 by 1. And together again I'll show you the stepping. So that wherever the ball comes, you are not afraid of it. You will see that yeah, ma'am has taught for every stepping when the ball drops, I have to learn. Okay, so I'm Hindi में.
Yes, बच्चों बैकहैंड पुश से आप लोगों को बैकहैंड पुश की शेडो करनी है और उसमें पहले आपको 3 स्टेप करने हैं. 1 is 1, go on 1, push, backhand push, then go on 2 and go on 3. And okay, play the 3 balls by shadow. Right? 1, 2, and 3. Harshit, come on, do it.
Yeah, I can't see that you are doing. Please do. Yeah, number 1. Please stand better. 1. Take the position first. Take position first. Position is important. First you take. No. First you take the position. Don't go for top spin. Harshit. First you take the position like this. Then 1. Then 2. Then 3, jump and receive. 1, little like this 2, again you take a stepping 3. So then you can cover this side ball together. Yeah, do please ma'am help.
Yeah. They are doing. Come on everyone. 1, 2, and 3. Stepping by backhand push. 1, 2, and 3. Ma'am wants to tell you if the ball comes on 1 and 2 and then अचानक फिर जब 3 पे आती है तो how you have to play, right? Now 1, play 1, 2, 3.
Harshit,
Yes, do.
can do, can't follow. Hello Harshit, you can't follow? Yeah? No. Listen. Take the position fast. Okay? Take the position fast. Then 1. Little leaning the body. 2. This foot is not coming. 2. Then you go for a jump and go for the 3. Okay? Go for the 3. 1. Then 2. Then go for a jump. 3. Come on. Madam, please check whether they are doing or not. I can see only Harshit.
Saran, very good. Siddharth, very good. Doing very well. Matron JSTC, Chennai, very good. All the children are very active, doing very well. Children count it 30 seconds.
Don't 1, then 2, then quick you have to jump and 3. Yeah? Jump, Harshit. For farther jump. This is your board. You are doing here 1, here 2, but when you are going for 3, you go to the board side like this, then receive, so that you can receive the ball properly. Ma'am, थोड़ा check करो.
Yes. Children, you have to do 30, then take little rest and again 30. Do it, keep continue. At least 2 sets. Each exercise 2 sets. Do it. Good players. Ragvi, very good.
Harshit, you have to improve. Harshit, you have to improve a bit better and you have to do better. I can see only you, that's why I'm telling you. You have to do better. See? 1 and 2 and jump. 3. This much. This is not difficult. Ma'am, is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Are they doing?
Yeah. Bhavya, very good. Ved, come on. Prasanna. Ved, little forward. I can see your legs only. Very good. Yes, now it's okay. Good. Prasanna, I can't see you. Jishnu Balaji. Jishnu is doing well. Good.
1. Going for 4, 5,
Very
and
good.
6. 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now after finishing this, now the ball is coming in 4. Okay, 4 position. See how I am taking the foot and receiving. Okay. Again, after this I am taking this step here. Again I am going for this ball. Okay. Then again 6. I am not coming back. After 5th, again this foot will go here and cover up and 6. Would you follow? 4, 3 balls. 4, 5. Again you are moving. 5. Then 6. Then you are taking this right foot forward and 6. And you are coming back. Okay? 4 and 5 and 6. And you are coming back to the position. Do.
Ranjita, we can't see your screen. Hello.
This and
Ma'am
5
Ranjita.
like this and 6 like this.
Vishwajit,
Can you?
can't some
Sir, I think there's some network issue.
हाँ, वो इमेजेस भी काफी ज्यादा रुक रुक करके हर्डल्स के साथ आ रही थी. एक बार कॉल करो विश्वजीत, कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करें मैम.
बच्चे तब तक आप लोग पानी पी के आओ, थोड़ा रिलैक्स करो. यू हैव डन 1 एक्सरसाइजेस. हैव वाटर. सब लोग थोड़ा पानी पियो.
अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ कि कुछ बच्चों ने मुंह को ऊपर किया और फिर ऊपर से डायरेक्ट वाटर फ्लो को उन्होंने अपने मुंह में जाने दिया. This is not a proper scientific way to drink the water. If you are having a glass, a jar, a jug, a cup in your hand, please have it in this way. Just this is a glass. This way, not this way. यदि आप you are drinking the water in this way, so you can see that you are straining your esophagus. जो आपकी जो भोजन नली है जिसमें से कि पानी अंदर जाएगा, तो आप उसको एडिशनल स्ट्रेस दे रहे हैं. एट द सेम टाइम देयर इज एपिग्लोटिक वॉल्व. उसके वहाँ पे जहाँ से हमारी साउंड क्रिएट हो रही है, वहाँ उसके जस्ट पीछे एक वॉल्व होता है. दैट वॉल्व इज सेग्रीगेटिंग टुवर्ड्स 2 parts. One is going in trachea and another is going into esophagus. So sometimes when you are drinking the water in this way, so that is not scientific way, because sooner or later what it will did, it will weaken up the segregation or weaken up the valve of that part. As Akshaya is yawning, good morning. So if you are doing this way and drinking the water in this unscientific manner, literal part of the life may be little bit typical, little bit problematic. So always you all are suggested to drink the water and after through applying the glass or the cup or the jar directly through the mouth like this. और जब आप कभी किसी भी प्रकार का प्रोग्राम होस्ट कर रहे हों और आपको प्यास लग रही हो, तो आप इस तरह की बातें बोल करके 3-4 बार पानी पी सकते हैं, जैसे कि अभी मैंने पिया है. गॉट इट? रंजीता मैम का फिर शायद नेटवर्क का इश्यू है. बच्चों एक बार चैट बॉक्स पे आओ, जरा चैट बॉक्स पे बताओ और क्या क्या चीजें आपको सिखाई जानी चाहिए. व्हाट एल्स? हाँ जी मैम, आ गई. आप आ गई?
Yes.
आ गई मैम.
Okay. I want to see the trainees. I want to see the children.
आपको आपके स्क्रीन को ड्रैग करना पड़ेगा मैम, तो आपको सारे चिल्ड्रंस दिख जाएंगे. आपका जो लैपटॉप है या जिस गैजेट से आप ऑपरेट कर रही हैं रंजीता मैम, उसको आप ड्रैग कीजिएगा तो सारे बच्चे दिखेंगे आपको. Ranjita ma'am, are you hearing me? आवाज आ रही है आप तक मेरी?
सर, यस
हाँ
सर।
सर, तो मैम तो आपका जो स्क्रीन है उसको आपको ही ऑपरेट करना पड़ेगा सब सारे बच्चों को, यदि आप देखना चाह रही हैं तो।
नहीं, सभी बातों को हम देखना नहीं चाहते हैं, जितना मेरे को दिखा दीजिए जैसे दिखाए
हाँ
थे।
वो उसके लिए आप उसके लिए
सुमन मैम।
आप उसके लिए आपको ही आपके कैमरे की स्क्रीन की सेटिंग करनी पड़ेगी।
मैम ऊपर ऊपर देखिए एक ऑप्शन है जहाँ पे सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स दिख रहे हैं लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन पे। ठीक है, हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है।
ओके
हाँ जी, ओके
सुमन मैम,
प्लीज।
इज इट ओके?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay.
ओके ओके बच्चों, एवरीबॉडी प्लीज डू।
मैम रंजीता मिश्रा मैम, आप अपना लेसन कंटिन्यू रखिए। आप सब बच्चों को दिखाई दे रही हैं तो बच्चे करते रहेंगे, मैं और अतुल सर चेक करते रहेंगे। प्लीज यू कीप कंटिन्यू।
ओके 4 5 and 6 4 then 5 then 6. Hello
Yes.
Arshit, some other. Hello.
Sir, and try to do it. Wait.
4 5 6 4 5 6 4.
Yes.
Yes, 4 5. No. Hello Harish, ACC Chennai, this is not the action. This is not the action. What I have taught you, Harish? Try to listen. 4 3 4 then 5, then you go from this side. 6 4 5 and 6. Could you follow me? 4 4 5 4 5. Not getting. This is the center line. This is the center line. And now 4 5 and 6. Back. 4 5 and 6. Back. सुमन मैडम कटिंग करते रहिए।
Okay. Children, you have to receive 3 balls with the forehand. Start from the 4. Have you seen on the screen? 4, 5 and go on 6 with your right leg. 4, 5 and 6 with the forehand. Receive the ball. 2 long balls and 1 is short ball near the net. Come on. 4. Start with the 4, 5 and go near the net. It is 6. Very good, Ved.
Okay, बच्चा, now come back. Now finished 1 2 3 and 4 5 6. Now you come to the 1 position. Then you go for 7 8. See how I am doing. I am taking this feet forward, 7 and back. I am taking this feet forward and 8 and back. 7 back. 8.
बच्चों पहले मैडम को देखो how she is doing and then try to copy it. Yes, first Ranjita.
Now I am in 1 position. I am going to 7. I am taking this right leg inside the board, down the board, 7. Again I am going back. Again I am taking this leg forward. 8. Again come back. 7. Come back. 8. Come back. 7. Come back. 8. Come back. Would you follow me? Would you follow? Suman ma'am.
Yes, I am following. Yeah.
Are they doing? Please do. I want to see.
Yes, everyone, please copy the ma'am. What the ma'am is doing, please copy. Very good, Harshit. Raghavi. You don't have racket, Raghavi?
Harish, Harish, don't do wrongly. Don't do wrongly. I can see you. For 7, take this foot forward. 7. Back. Take this foot forward. This is 8. 7. 8. 8. Come back. Okay? Okay, could you follow me? Harish? Could you follow me?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. They are following. Yeah. Yes, Harshit. Good.
8. Harish, do. Harish.
Siddharth, very good. Doing efforts. Good efforts. Akshita, well done, beta. Keep continue.
This is 7 and back. This is 8 and back. This is 7 and back. This is 8 and back. This is 7 and back. This is 8 and back. Please continue. Please, Suma madam, correct them.
Yes, Priyanshi, very good. Priyanshi Sharma, very good. Manikandan, can't see you to doing. Beta, we are here to make you active. Please do it. Good.
Okay, continue. Try to learn. Continue, try to learn. Take your feet, not only hand, feet. Stepping. Here. 7 and back. 8 and back. Take this foot forward. Yeah. Not only hand. You cannot be a champion with only one hand. You have to go for the stepping, correct stepping, and to receive the ball. Fast stepping. Yeah. No, don't be in a hurry. Harish, don't be in a hurry. 3, 7, back. 8, back. Try to see. Back. 8 and back. Am I visible, sir?
Yeah.
Stepping, you can see, or I have to go back? Stepping. See. I'm handling the back. 7, back. 8, back. Alice, you are not taking your left foot forward for number 8 ball. For number 8 ball, you have to take your left leg forward. Yeah. Try to learn. It's very easy. But ma'am, please
Yes.
please. How
Yeah,
they are doing?
Yeah, I am checking. They are doing very well. No problem.
Yeah. Okay, bachcho. Now we'll go for 9 number. Only 9 number. Could you tell me? Do remember, when you are taking, you have to receive the 9 number ball. Suppose you have played 5, 4, if we have played 1, 2, 3 ball previously to the 9 ball, then we have to receive in backhand. Could you follow me? अगर आप लोग 4, 5, 6 को खेला हो फोरहेंड में, अगर 4, 5, 6 बॉल को खेले हो हर से, तब तुम 9 नंबर बॉल को फोरहेंड में ही लेना है। अगर 1, 2, 3 खेले हो, ये बैकहैंड का बॉल है, तो इसके बाद अगर 9 आती है 1, 2, 3 खेलने के बाद, तब 9 को बैकहैंड में खेलना है। 9 is a ball can be played from backhand and forehand. Okay? 9 is a ball you can play from backhand and forehand. If you are playing 4, 5, 6 forehand, fine, you have to play a 9 number ball in forehand. And 1, 2, 3 you are playing, don't forget that you have to take this 9 ball in backhand. Could you follow me? Could you follow me? Now I am taking the position in 1. Now I am receiving number 6. Number 6. So I go for number 6 and 9. Again, again after 6 I am coming back and I am taking forehand. Okay? If I will stand here and I will do this and this, no, it is an odd action. First you have to take 6 ball, again you have to return 9 ball. Okay? Okay? If you are taking 5 ball, then if 9 ball is coming, 5, you are coming here and you are taking the 9 ball in forehand. Okay? Like that, if you play 3 number ball, then number 9 ball is coming, fine, you are here, 3 ball, then again 9, back in 3, again 9. If you are playing 6 ball, 5, 6 and 9. If you are playing 5, 9, 5 and 9. Now you are playing 2 number ball, then 9. 2 number ball, go inside and 9 number ball. Okay. This would be going forward this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6. This would be round like this, like this, like this. Okay. So when you will complete the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the action will be like a rainbow. Rainbow, have you seen rainbow? Indradhanush? Okay, like this. So this position that way, here जाएगी इंद्रधनुष. ठीक है? देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It's like a rainbow. Okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 like a rainbow. You practice number 9 ball. First you play 5 number ball, then 9. Then again you play 2 number ball and 9. 5 number 9 from forehand, 2 and 9 from backhand. Okay? Okay?
रंजीता मैम, एक बच्चा है जो समझ नहीं आया, उसे प्लीज आप रिपीट कर दीजिए एक बार और.
हाँ, बात सुनो बच्चों, ये जो स्टेपिंग दिया गया है 1, 3 इन द बैकहैंड, 4, 5, 6 इन द फोरहैंड. ठीक है? 4, 5, 6 के लिए अलग अलग एक्शन हो रहा है और फोरहैंड तुम खेल रहे हो. ठीक है? 4, 5 देन अगेन. Is it visible? Harshit? When you are playing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then again 9. So that is backhand ball. 1, 2 you play, then 9. 1 backhand, 2 forehand, then 9 will be backhand. Because you play 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is meant for backhand. 4, 5, 6 is meant for 4, 5, 6 is meant for forehand. Very good, Arshit. Very good. Now, when you are playing the 5th number ball, then again 9 number ball is coming in the match play or practice. Then first you receive in 5, 5 in the forehand, again 9 in forehand. 5 in the forehand and again 9 in the backhand. No. The ball you may miss. Could you follow me? Do you follow me? समझ में आई? अगर 4, 5, 6 बॉल आती है फोरहैंड में, तो जरूर ये फोरहैंड खेलने के बाद अगर 9 नंबर बॉल आ जाती है, कभी मत भूलो कि 9 नंबर बॉल में अगर 4, 5, 6 तुम लोग खेल रहे हो, सुनाई दे रहा है? सुनाई दे रहा है सबको?
सुनाई दे रहा है.
बच्चों तुम लोग खेल रहे हो, अगर उसके बाद 9 नंबर आ गई, ठीक है, कोई असुविधा नहीं, फोरहैंड में ही तुमको 1 नंबर बॉल को खेलना है। अगर 1 2 3 बैकहैंड में खेल रहे हो, अब 9 आ गया बॉल, 5 यू गो फॉर बैकहैंड। समझ में आया सबको? हाँ बोलो, समझ में आई नहीं? Could you follow me? When you are playing from 4, 5 and 6, when I am playing from 4, 5 and 6 and the 9 number ball is coming, it will be forehand, and when you are playing 1, 2 and 3 ball and that 9 number ball you have to play in backhand. Could you follow me? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then 9. You do like this. Do you think I look good? Do you think I look good? 1, 2, and like this. No, this is not the way. 1, 2, again inside 9. Okay? 4, 5, then 9. If you after 4 and 5 you take like this and you play like this, see how odd I look. How odd I look. Okay? Position must be good, so that you will get your ball receive perfectly. Okay? So don't forget, after you receive the 4, 5, 6 ball, after that 9 is forehand receive. When you are playing 1, 2, 3 ball, any of them, and 9 is coming 5, you will be playing in from backhand. Could you follow me? अभी समझ में आई सुमन मैम?
या हर्षित, इज इट क्लियर?
बच्चों को पूछिए।
बच्चे आप लोग थोड़ा पानी पी लीजिए, आप लोगों ने काफी शेडो करी। हैव वाटर एंड लेट मी स्टार्ट अगेन। हैव वाटर, हैव सम वाटर एंड रिलैक्स, टेक रेस्ट।
ये यस ओके। दुबे सर, देयर इज अ टाइम आउट। दुबे सर,
व्हाइट कार्ड दिखाता हूँ मैडम, मैं व्हाइट कार्ड दिखाता हूँ, अभी 1 मिनट का टाइम आउट है।
ओके।
Please take yes, have water. Karthikeyan, yes.
Very nice. Priyanshi is practicing, but he have to do correctly. Priyanshi, yeah. Everybody must try. I hope you have learned little definitely from your coach, but try to learn correctly. If you play number 4 and 5 ball in forehand, then again in backhand to number 9 ball, 5. Next ball you cannot receive. It is just impossible. It is just impossible. अगर 4, 5 बॉल तुम लोग खेल रहे हो, 4, 5, 6, जरूर इसको फोरहैंड में खेल रहे हो तो उसको नंबर बॉल बिल्कुल फोरहैंड में लेना। अगर 1, 2, 3 बॉल तुम खेल रहे हो तो 9 बॉल बैकहैंड में लेना। अगर 1, 2, 3 खेलने के बाद तुम फोरहैंड में लोगे तो मिरर सामने देखो कितना और स्टाइल हो जाती है, कितना और स्टाइल हो जाती है बच्चों। तो इसीलिए ट्राई टू सी। समझ में आया? अच्छी समझ में आया? अगर 1, 2, हाँ वेरी गुड। अगर 1, 2, 3 बॉल खेलोगे, that is from backhand. If you play 9 ball you are getting during play 1, 2 and 3, fine, you have to play in backhand. If you are playing 4, 5 and 6, okay, then definitely number 9 ball you have to receive in forehand. Could you follow? Okay. Hello, Suman ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will go
You
forward.
please continue.
Yeah. Now listen बच्चों, मैं अभी 1 से पूरा 9 तक मैंने स्किपिंग करके दिखाऊंगी फुल बोर्ड में। अगर बॉल आती है तो कैसे होगा, ठीक है? उसके बाद फिर हम करेंगे। पोजीशन 1, 2, जंप में 3, जंप में 4, फिर 5, फिर आगे जाकर 6, again back, again you are going for 7 number ball, back, again you are going there, 8 number ball, again you have already done 8 number ball, back. 9 number. Could you follow? Again I am showing 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, position 6, back. Now I will go for 7 and back. Now this put forward 8 and back. Then again 9 because left. But in back hand, 8 number ball, 9 number ball you need to play it back hand. Could you follow? Could you follow? Suman ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. All will do. Now start everyone for 1 minute, and then Atul sir will explain some service rules. Afterwards, you do this exercise 2 or 3 times.
Nobody is visible.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल विजिबल है मैम आप.
Raghavi,
Yes.
Raghavi, yeah, you do. Could you follow? Hello, beta. Could you follow? Nobody is getting because they have not learned systematically. Nobody is getting. Again, I have to show. Okay, everybody, please look at me. Position 1, 2, 3, and jump 4, 5, again 6, back, 7, back, 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back, 7, back, 8, back, and 9, back. Could you follow? Could you follow? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. They are following you. You just explain, and they will do. Children, if you don't understand, please write in the chat box so we can.
No. When taking
Ma'am, I
class,
have some network
you
problem.
make me
Video is not coming correctly from Prasanna STC.
मैं देख पा रही हूँ.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, but don't see. MS Parthishwara. Try to do. Very bad.
Ranjita ma'am, children are saying they want to, you please explain in English one time because the few children are from South India.
Yes.
So they want again in English, please.
All from South India. Try to listen me. I have shown you 9 points. Okay, from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3 in the back end. 4, 5, 6 in the back end. Again, 7 number is in forehand, 8 number is in backhand, and 9 number is previous one. If we have done in backhand and 9 number in the backhand, if we have done 6 number, then we have to do the 9 number forehand. Okay? Could you follow me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why I showed you backhand balls from the side, forehand balls from the side, then again forehand side 7 number, then again from backhand 8 number, again 9 from backhand number. Okay? Ask them whether they are understanding or anything they are writing. Suman ma'am.
Yes, anyone, any question, ma'am? Should we keep right leg or left leg forward for 9 number? Ma'am, they are asking whether Harshit from Hyderabad, he is asking, can we put right or left leg for number 9 forward to receive the ball? Yes, Harshit, you have to go forward. If the ball is far away from you, then you have to go with your, if you are right-handed, you have to go with your right leg. And if you are left-handed, you have to go with your left leg.
अगर साउथ इंडियन बच्चे समझ गए तो हिंदी में मैं बोल रही हूँ बच्चों. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, पैरा स्टेपिंग में, फुट टेबल में, इसी के अंदर बॉल आएगी थोड़ा इधर उधर होकर। तो अगर तुमको 1, 2, 3 एंड 8 नंबर आती है तो 9 नंबर बॉल को तुम बैकहैंड में लोगे। 1, 2, 3 एंड 8। डू रिमेम्बर, अगर तुम लोग 2, 4, 6 और 7 बॉल को रिसीव कर रहे हो इन द फोरहैंड, तो 9 नंबर बॉल आ जाती है बच्चा, घबराना नहीं। वो 9 नंबर बॉल को फोरहैंड में ही लेना, इतना ही इजी में समझ लो। अगर प्रीवियस बॉल बैकहैंड में लिए हो तो 9 नंबर बॉल बैकहैंड, अगर प्रीवियस बॉल फोरहैंड में लिए हो 9 नंबर बॉल फोरहैंड। ओके मैम?
yes ma'am. So बच्चे go 1, 2 and then yes go 1, 2, 3 and go on 9. And this is the last sequence. 6:15 we have done, and afterwards Atul sir will tell you some few rules. Yes, everyone, do nicely. Good. Jivtha, very good. Ragvi, try to do it better. Come on. Tanuja, very good. Priyanshi is very active.
हेजिटेट मत करो, इसको सीख लो। कितना आसान होगी मैच खेलने में, कंफ्यूज नहीं होगी, हर टाइम याद रहेगी कि कौन साइड में बॉल आया और कैसे हमें लेना है। अगर तुम लोग परफेक्टली बॉल को रिसीव कर पाते हो, you are not going to miss the ball, you are getting a point, you will be the champion. I'm telling you, you will be the champion. Nobody will beat you if you learn properly. Do like this, because when I had players at side training center, while they were coming from the club, then I told, if I give you multi balls, fine, first to change the stepping. I expert mine, then I have to. Okay, ma'am, teach us. After that, they start. They were running to the club and to see, madam is giving this type of stepping, getting all the balls correct. We are receiving all the balls correct. Every club coaches, they talk to me, ma'am, they are just after you. And really, you are teaching the very good stepping. Everyone is improving in that. So you have to understand. If you confuse, fine. If not, you have to remember 1, 2, 3 and 8 back ball, 2, 4 and 6 and 7 is forehand ball. After this 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7 ball forehand, the 9 number ball is coming. Fine, you have to go for the forehand. 1, 2, 3 and 8 ball के बाद अगर 9 ball आती है तो you have to go for backhand. Could you follow me? Try to understand. Very easy. Once you got it, you will not leave this principle. Yeah, you have to go in that way and you will be champion. I'm telling you. Don't confuse. Okay, Sudha ma'am.
Yes, everyone. So Ranjita ma'am, have you finished all the sequence?
No, after finishing this, little from back inside and again forward inside I have to show.
Okay, you please show next sequence. They have done. I think they all are standing and done very well. You please explain next one.
Now, bachcho, I will be doing 1, then number 6, then number 9. Okay? Then I'll tell you to do first 1, then 6, then 9. Okay? This is your position. 1. Now you are jumping for 6 like this. 6, again back, again 9. Okay? 1, going jumping 6, little back, 9. Could you follow me? 1, 6 and 9. 1, then 6, then position, then 9. Could you follow me? One ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Okay, बच्चों, एक बार सारे कर दिखा दो 1, 6 and 9. I'm saying 1, 6 and 9. 1, 6 and 9.
Vishri sir, एक बार please show us the table what the Ranjita ma'am has done so children can see it. So ma'am, please explain. You have children have to start from 1, 6 and 9. Okay. Yeah, with the forehand, which stroke? Forehand or forehand counter or forehand push?
Push, let them do in push. When they will be fully correct, they will be playing from counter.
Okay. Okay, okay, ma'am. So,
Take the stepping by heart.
yeah, children, so you have to take the stance on one, nearby one, extreme back and side of the table, extreme left, and then you have to move, take 2 steps, go on 6, and afterwards receive the ball on, yes, 6 and 9. Try to receive the ball on 6 near the net and then go on 9.
My three.
Yes. Everyone is clear. So let's start.
Then 6, then 9. No. First one, then 6, then 9. 1, then 6, then 9. Try to do. Once you get it, brother, you will be seeing, yeah, 5. I can reach each and every ball, and I will be champion one day. Try to do. If you get it by heart, definitely you will be the champion someday. Okay, ma'am. Dubey sir was saying something.
Yeah, ma'am. If you have finished the sequence, then sir has to explain little.
Yeah. आपके बच्चे थोड़ा थके हुए हैं, थोड़ा सा पानी पी ले, थोड़ा टाइम आउट.
Yeah.
I think, ma'am, we are running out of time now. So Ranjita ma'am say request if she can continue this in some other session which we will plan for you in the last week.
No, I can't listen.
I am saying, ma'am, that our time slot has already reached to its maturation. So some other day maybe in the last week of the July, I'll try to have another slot for you. Then we will continue, or we can continue this session in the second day. You know? So it's now we are curtaining the session, and all the kids, I can see from their faces that ma'am has almost narrated 10 to 15 times that you all will be a champion. So the big thing to become a champion is the zeal, is the enthusiasm, and the dedication which you had shown, which you all had manifested today in these sort of activities. Though it may be little tough for you all to understand the digits because it was shown virtually on the screen and you have to perform actually on the floor. And even initially it was tough for me also to understand, but once you will start practicing in a proper manner, and of course in the presence of your own coach and mentor, आप जब भी इस तरीके की एक्सरसाइजेज जिसमें कुछ डिजिटल फॉर्मेशन से इक्वेशंस आपको बताई जाती हैं, तो उनकी प्रैक्टिस करते समय आपके पास में उस समय वहां पर उपस्थित जो कोचेज हैं, जो आपके मेंटर्स हैं, उनकी हेल्प जरूर लीजिए. This platform which Sai and TTFI is providing you all is to simply to utilize that leisure time which we all are having because of this COVID situations. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इन्हीं सारी चीज़ों पे एकदम फाइनल मान लें और इन्हीं को आप फॉलो करना शुरू कर दें, क्योंकि every situation requiring a contemporary need, उस एम्बियंस में, उन सर्कमस्टांसेस में आपके पास क्या क्या अवेलेबल है, कौन कौन से इक्विपमेंट्स आपके पास में हैं, कौन किस पैटर्न से आपके जो डेडिकेटेड कोचेज हैं वो आपको बता रहे हैं. तो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू विद ऑल दोज पैटर्न्स एज वेल. So from with this, I think Vishwajit ji, time slot has reached, or still we have few minutes?
Yeah, we have 5 minutes, Atul. 5 minutes left. It is 2:25.
6:25.
Yeah, 6:25. Yeah. Yeah, so you can tell that as you are internationally moved and seen table tennis lot. So please explain the children little service rules. Normally जो बच्चे गलती करते हैं तो हम दो दो तीन तीन रूल अगर इन बच्चों को बताते जाएंगे तो I think this will be useful for to these children.
ओके बच्चों, ओके बच्चों। तो एज पर द डायरेक्शंस फ्रॉम सुमन मैम, मैं आप लोगों को छोटी छोटी बातें आज से बताता हूँ बच्चों। व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग कि आप लोगों ने घर बनते हुए देखे होंगे ना, यू मे हैड विटनेस्ड एंड सीन द हाउसेस अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन। So when these all persons related or the engineers, when they start constructing the house, first of all, what they used to do, first of all, they lead the foundation.
Pulse. They have told pulse. Yeah, very good. So we forgot, but these children are very smart.
Good. Very good. Chalo, तो आज से no service rules. Service rules will be discussed on Monday onwards. So today, yesterday I requested you all to take your 3 pulses. First was your resting pulse, then there was an action pulse, and then your fullest after activity pulse. But there is a very big myth, misconceptions in the persons or the citizens in the country, that the minimum your heart rate, the minimum your respirate, the more you are a weak person. No, all the sports persons, if you find, I can claim that you may have heard a name called Michael Chang. Michael Chang was a tennis player from America and from an Eastern country origin. You may believe or you may not believe, per minute heartbeat of Michael Chang was 39. 39. See up to what extent he has played his games. And why his pulse was 39 only? Because the amount of blood required in the body pumped by ourselves is 72 pulse, means 72 times our heart is beating on an average. It is between 70 to 80. For the more fitter person, the more lesser heartbeat. And why his heartbeat was only 39, witnessed at the peak of his performance days? Because the amount of the blood required in the body, his heart was pumping in the lesser pumps. In the lesser beats, the required amount was circulated in the body, because the respiratory and the circulatory mechanism always enhances the cardiac output, the tidal volume, the ventricle capacity, means the every stroke, after every stroke, the amount of blood which our heart is pumping, that volume increases if you keep on working out, if you keep on exerting your body. So what will happen? The working efficiency and the you can say the space or the density of that amount which that is throwing to the body will increase. Similar act happens with our respiratory mechanism also. So that other day our yoga ma'am was teaching us some activities of pranayam. Okay, so suppose I am inhaling. This amount of oxygen or this amount of air I had inhaled and I had released. Suppose this is 3 liters of the air I had inhaled, and out of that 3 liter, maybe some 1.4 or 1.5 liter was oxygen. So if you will keep on exerting, if you will keep on running, if you will keep on doing hard strenuous activities for an hour or plus, what will happen? Your inhaling and conversion of the oxygen or internal exchange of the gases in the lungs, in the alveoli, will increase. And what will happen ultimately? The more amount you will inhale, the more amount will be transformed in the body, and the more amount will be delivered to the blood. So more nourishment you will receive. And this happens if you will keep on doing workouts, hard work and strenuous activity. Now come back to what is the role of pulse. See, the difference between the number or the difference between the count of the pulse always says the fitness level of all individuals. यदि आपका रेस्टिंग पल्स, सपोज आज सुबह जब आप सोकर उठे होंगे तो आपका पल्स, आप चूंकि आप बच्चे हैं तो आपके हार्ट बीट से एक एवरेज एडल्ट से थोड़ी सी ज्यादा होती है, तो सपोज आपकी आज 74 या 76 होगी, जब आप ब्रश वगैरह किए होंगे, आप लोगों ने बाथ वगैरह लिया होगा, आप लोग तैयार हुए होंगे, तो सो आफ्टर दैट 1 आवर और 1.5 आवर वो आपकी पल्स जो होगी वो आई गई होगी सपोज 80-84 के बाद में। और जब अभी आपको मैम लगातार बहुत अच्छे स्टेपिंग्स करवा रही थी, फॉरवर्ड मूवमेंट, बैकवर्ड मूवमेंट, फोर हैंड, बैक हैंड, if you'll keep on doing this for half an hour or plus, then definitely your pulse will go up to 90 or 94 or 95. So this is the difference which you have to minimize, कि हमारा जो रेस्टिंग पल्स आ रहा है और हमारा जो एक्शन पल्स आ रहा है या हमारा जो वर्कआउट पल्स आ रहा है, इन तीनों के बीच के अंदर का जो डिफरेंस है, lesser the difference and lesser the resting pulse, the more fitness you will possess. And that fitness will not only the fitness of your physique or of your physical mechanism, that fitness because of the three types of nervous system which we have discussed earlier days also: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomous nervous system. These three systems are working in our body. And when that Sanjana Raj ma'am has delivered a talk, prior to that Suman ma'am has also taken, then Dr. Som Shankar has also taken with the mental capacities, mental workouts of the individual. If your resting work pulse, if your action pulse, and if your workout pulse proportion will reduce, then the more blood will be consumed, more oxygen will be consumed by your brain also. So apart from your conscious actions, your subconscious actions will also improve. I am missing the name. I think Amay Joshi sir or someone has talked a day regarding the muscle memory. So that muscle memory is actually the subconscious state of mind, subconscious functioning of the mind. So if your resting pulse, action pulse, and workout pulse will reduce, and your heart and your lungs will start pumping more blood, will start fast assimilation of the oxygen in the alveoli and the bronchs of the respiratory mechanism, then not only your physique, your mental capacities, your intellectual properties will also increase a lot. So this is my humble request to all of you, whether or not your proper schools are started, or your stadium or your science centers or your training centers has not started, from tomorrow morning onwards, you start doing working out in minimizing your action pulse and workout pulse. Very good thing which you had informed me. I am also aging, entering in the 6th decade of my life after a few years. So my memory, my resting pulse and action pulse are increasing day by day. But it's you whose future is very clear, who all of you are having a clear vision in your life. तो प्लीज बच्चों, यू जस्ट स्टार्ट मेंटेनिंग अ डायरी. एक डायरी मेंटेन करना शुरू कर दीजिए आज से, कि आज 3 जुलाई को सुबह जब मैं सोकर उठी थी, मेरी रेस्टिंग पल्स जो थी वो 74 या 76 थी. उसके 1.5 घंटे बाद जब मैंने अपनी पल्स ली थी तो मेरी पल्स इतनी थी. शाम को 1 घंटा रंजीता मिश्रा मैम ने हमको जब एक्टिविटी करवाई थी, उसके बाद में हमारी पल्स जो थी वो इतनी थी. एंड देन after few days, if you see that your pulse rate is reducing, it means you had assessed your hard work on your own self. आपको किसी और की जरूरत नहीं है, आप खुद अपने असेसमेंट कर सकते हैं. And the biggest assessment, the biggest evaluation on this globe is self-assessment. In Gita itself, the first word Krishna told to Arjun was introspection. Talk to yourself, ask to yourself, you will get the replies. And the reply your conscience, your conscience is giving to you is the best reply. Similarly, if you will start calculating your pulse, from today you already had started, and after a fortnight or after a month, I am sure, I am that confident, because in that situation, in that scenario, when your workouts will be focused and target oriented, you will have a bigger heart, bigger lungs. And एक और छोटी बात, बड़ी बात, हम लोग जो खिलाड़ी लोग हैं, हम लोगों के साथ एक टर्म जुड़ा रहा करता है, जो कि कई मूवीज में आपने डायलॉग्स सुनते हुए लोगों को बोलते हुए देखा होगा, कि दिस ही इज हैविंग एन एथलीट्स हार्ट. जिन लोगों का बहुत बड़ा दिल होता है, का मतलब बहुत दान करते हैं, उनको भूख लग रही है, उनके पास में एक रोटी है और कोई भूखा उनके पास आ गया तो वो उसको आधी रोटी खाने को दे देते हैं, उन लोगों को एथलीट्स हार्ट कहा जाता है. एथलीट्स हार्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? बड़े दिल वाला, मतलब खिलाड़ियों से जुड़ा हुआ वर्ड है. खिलाड़ियों का दिल बड़ा होता है. तो खिलाड़ियों का दिल बड़ा जो होता है वो फिजियोलॉजिकली भी होता है, ठीक है. फिजियोलॉजिकली दिल बड़ा होगा तो कॉमन मैन से ज़्यादा हम जल्दी ब्लड पंप कर पाएंगे, ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में ब्लड पंप कर पाएंगे, एंड द मोर नरिशमेंट आवर बॉडी विल रिसीव मे बी इन द वेरियस systems in the body, muscular system, nervous system, endocrine system, excretory system, so many systems you may be studying in your physiology or biology classes. The more heart, the more lungs will function, the more successful life you will lead to live. So with this, I think 6:30 has come. On Monday again, we will have a very good session. Rakesh Jasal sir, he is a very senior coach of Sports Authority of India. पहाड़ों में रहते हैं और बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी आपके सामने मंडे को होने जा रही है. I am again requesting you all, those friends who are not directly related with table tennis, and if you will ask them to join this type of sessions, you can convince their parents कि इस तरीके के सेशंस को यदि वो अटेंड करते हैं तो उससे ऐसा नहीं है कि हम 3 महीने या 6 महीने या 2021 के ओलंपिक्स में 15 टेबल टेनिस के गोल्ड मेडल जीत लेंगे. बट वन थिंग विच विल श्योर, which I can, our expert Suman ma'am, today's speaker Ranjita ma'am, all the senior faculties who are associated with you here can assure, if you will ask your friends to start attending such sessions, start doing workouts, that will be that sort of gift जिसका return gift उनके आपके friends आपको lifelong देते रहेंगे. So with this, I am क्या पूछा जा रहा है? Is that true? Let me see what is true or what is false.
ओके बच्चों, ओके बच्चों.
हाँ, एक बच्चा है त्रिशा पटेल. टू एवरीवन, इट इज रिटन इन सम साइंस बुक्स that our heart is size of our fist. Is that true? Beta, these all things are a sort of examples which are easy to teach you. कि अगर मेरी मुट्ठी ऐसी है, देखिए इस समय मेरी मुट्ठी का साइज ये है, तो मेरा हार्ट का साइज ऐसा भी हो सकता है, पर इस समय मेरी मुट्ठी का साइज बड़ा हो गया, तो क्या मेरा हार्ट का साइज बढ़ गया है? नहीं. Yes, these all are connected with some physiological facts. Physiological facts होते हैं. Then there is a DNA design which is leading our life. हमारी बॉडी में दो चीजें हैं, एक्वायर्ड है और इनहेरिटेड है. वट एवर इनहेरिटेड इज द डीएनए, एंड डीएनए से ही हमारे हार्ट का साइज बनता है. कई लोगों का बड़ा भी हो सकता है मुट्ठी से, कई लोगों का छोटा भी हो सकता है, बट मोर और लेस टू टीच यू ऑल, इस तरह से कहा जाता है कि दैट हार्ट इज जस्ट लाइक अ फिस्ट. So with this, now I am continuing the session. We are very much thankful to today's keynote speaker Ranjita Mishra ma'am. She has delivered a show, a class full of energy, full of enthusiasm. Thank you, Ranjita ma'am, for today's talk.
Thank you, Dubey sir, Suman Parikh and Biswajit Babu. God bless you all, बच्चे. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye ma'am. Thanks to our expert Suman Parikh ma'am. आज
Thank you,
मैम
Dr.
काफी,
Atul. Thank you.
मैडम भी आज काफी एनर्जेटिक महसूस कर रही हैं अपने आप को. थैंक्स टू विश्वजीत जी फॉर ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ टेक्निकल सपोर्ट, एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट टू टेबल टेनिस फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया एंड स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया. So Monday again at 5:15 we'll try to connect ourselves, and 5:30 evening we'll resume the session with another interesting topic delivered by श्री राकेश जसल सर. आप लोगों से एक रिक्वेस्ट है बच्चों, मंडे की रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि यदि आपके घर में टेबल टीटी की टेबल है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. यदि आपके घर में टीटी की टेबल नहीं है तो मंडे को आप ऐसा कुछ कोशिश करके रखें. यू जस्ट ट्राई टू हैव समथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू जो कि टेबल के साइज का 76 सेंटीमीटर का हाइट का हो, क्योंकि जसल सर टेबल पे कराने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटी कराएंगे. So that will be more interesting and that will be more thought-provoking to all of you. So with this, I am signing off from this desk today on Friday. Again, we will resume the session on Monday. Saturday and Sunday is an adaptation day, rest day, and holiday. So till then, good day to all of you. Good evening to all of you. Namaste.